ABT presents A2 Level Conversations. Finding our perfect place. Vocabulary. Vacancy. Priorities. Amenities. Manager. Neighborhoods. List. Now that you have practiced the vocabulary and you make a picture in your mind, let's start. Characters: Sarah, David, Emily. Finding our perfect place.
Can you believe it's only 2 months until we have to move out?
Time flies when you're, not unpacking boxes.
Have you guys started looking for a new place yet?
Absolutely. I've been finding all these listings online. The problem is, most of them seem tiny.
Yeah, I can't imagine commuting an hour to work again. Finding a place with a decent commute is key.
Hold on, don't we want to explore a few new neighborhoods before we settle? We could find a hidden gem.
Exploring sounds lovely, but we also need to be realistic. Having enough space to work from home and living in a safe area are non-negotiable.
True. Maybe we could make a list of priorities. Things like commute time, rent price, and neighborhood amenities.
Great idea. I can also mention my building manager might know of some upcoming vacancies. It's always worth asking around.
Perfect. While you guys tackle the practical stuff, I can spend some time exploring those up-and-coming neighborhoods we talked about. Who knows, maybe I'll find the perfect place that ticks all the boxes.
Sounds like a plan. Hopefully, by next week, we'll have a clearer picture of what we're looking for.
Absolutely. Honestly, the thought of all those boxes again gives me a headache. But at least we're in this together.
Exactly. Finding a new place can be stressful, but it can also be an exciting adventure.
Now, let's practice. In the description section, you can find the link of the material for this audio. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. Leave your doubts in the comments. We're glad to help you. For extra material or tips, don't forget to visit our Instagram or our fan page on Facebook. That's all for today. If you enjoy it, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this.